Hey everyone, welcome to Design with PC, where I show you how I design awesome flyer templates for clubs and businesses. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalism and futurism. Let's begin with a document. The star of the show introduce your beautiful model image. This time, we are embracing a heart-shaped design. Craft your main text, Love Night, in a futuristic font. We want that sleek, modern vibe. Cool palette, switch the background to a grayish blue hue. It's the perfect blend of futuristic chill and romantic warmth. You can download all the images I use in the video below, link in description. Use the heart shape as a selection mask to fill it with a cool checkerboarding. Duplicate the same mask, hold Alt, and paste it onto the model image. Boom! We've trapped a model inside the heart in a totally awesome way. Brush it off. Want to see the model again? Grab a brush tool and carefully paint back parts of the mask using white. Don't worry, you're just revealing their stunning silhouette within the heart. Time to make that heart jump off the screen. Experiment with the blending options. Add shadows, highlights, and gradients to give it a 3D feel. Making it shine to make your flyer pop. Let's add some cool elements. I gave the main text some wings and fancy effects like gradients and strokes. Don't be afraid to experiment. Filling the void, let's bring back the cool checkerboard pattern and fill the empty space around the heart. It's a subtle detail that adds depth and visual interest. The finishing touches. Details matter. Add essential information like artist names, daytime, venue, and your logo. Keep it clean and futuristic. Add subtle light and shadow effects. It breathes life into your design. And there you have it, a minimalist and futuristic Valentine's Day flyer that's both captivating and romantic. Like what you see? Then hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome design tutorials. Peace out.